Welcome to this video demonstration of inflating a flat tyre using a tyre inflation kit. A lot of cars come with these days, so it's well worth knowing how they work. We'll show you that now. So the very first thing you want to do is unravel the cables that are normally stored in here. One end will look like this, that end will be attached to the tyre in a moment. The other looks like this, and that will go in the cigarette lighter which powers this machine to inflate the tyre. So we'll connect those two up now. Okay, so now the cables are connected, one to the tyre and one leading into the car, and it's attached to the cigarette lighter charger, the 12-volt charging socket. The next thing we want to do is have a look at the measurements on here. So the outer white figure is bar, the inner figure is PSI. So this car needs to be at 35 PSI, having checked the tyre pressure. What we do is turn this on, that needle will work its way around to there. When it has done, the tyre will be inflated and we'll be ready to go. So let's start that up now. And we'll leave it to do its thing. Switch it off when you're ready, and you can see that it will maintain the pressure to let you know where the tyre is up to, and the tyre is now inflated. It's as easy as that.